With concerns about climate change increasing, some people are starting to wonder whether humanity might be able to deliberately cool the planet using SRM, or solar radiation management geoengineering. But what would the impacts be? And whose voices are heard in discussions about research? To start to address these questions, SRMGI held the Global Forum here in Berlin in October 2017. The Global Forum brought back together 40 people from SRMGI's past workshops around the Global South. Working together, the participants started to think through what impacts SRM might have for their regions.
I am here because I want my voice to be heard. I am interested on the possible risks and vulnerabilities of this initiative.
I'm basically here to learn more about SRM and the GI constructs, so to kind of inform persons back home.
How the developed and developing countries, they see the issues, it's quite different. They need to come together on one page.
Before deployment or even before large-scale outdoor experiments, we should do more research on it to know its benefits and side effects.
Thinking about inequality raises questions about the modeling work. What are the kinds of models that we need to run to understand equity implications of SRM.
We need to do a lot of research, particularly in relation to local and regional impacts in modeling, for example.
Not allowing any scientific progress to move is not a great idea. On the other hand, allowing scientific progress without responsibility is a very bad idea.
Mitigation is not replaced by geoengineering. That is a big concern for all of us, I'm sure.
I hope we can reduce greenhouse gas emissions in a sense that we could never even need to use solar radiation management.
Personally, I'm much more interested in decarbonisation, but if we are unable to do enough of that quickly enough, then it's just possible that SRM may help.
My main hope at SRM is simply to really use whatever possible means already working in other countries that we can actually translate and use them locally.
I hope that we can get the solution to help solving the climate change problem for our community, our world together.
I am hoping that along the line, whether in the research aspect or the possible deployment scenario, developing countries will have a voice and stand regarding this issue.
This year, I'm so happy to see that a lot of people from Asia, from Africa, from Caribbean, and also from Pacific Ocean countries. Now it's much more international.
SRMGI was absolutely critical and central to CEC 17 in the sense that it brought the diversity of voices that absolutely must be part of the conversation.